Hello, welcome back to the course. So, we have just covered the theory of AI agents, their feedback loops, and the critical importance of setting up guardrails to manage their risk in the previous video. Now it's time to look for the practical topic. To build any of these workflows or agents, we need the core building blocks, that is, the large language models themselves. This brings us to our next section, that is orchestrating multiple LLMs in your applications. Let's see when tools we'll be using. So first of all, as we go through this course, we are not going to lock ourselves in just one provider. We will be calling paid APIs that run in the cloudy, which is just a type over cloud. And we will also use powerful open source models that you can run locally on your own computer. The most important part is that you have complete flexibility to choose, and for everyone learning, you can absolutely follow along and spend $0 by using the free open source option. There is no cost barrier to getting started. Now we will going to see the cast of characters. So these are the models and services we will be orchestrating. First of all, we have the major API providers, that is OpenAI, with models like ChatGPT for Mini, and Google with its Gemini 2.0 Flash model. But we won't stop there. We will also explore DeepSeek, which offers powerful models like DeepSeek V3, DeepSeek R1, also Anthropic, which is a great rival of OpenAI with its Cloud 3.7 Sonnet. Then we'll see Grok, a service famous for its incredibly faster inference speed on open source models like Llama 3.3, and Olama, a fantastic tool for running local open source LLMs like a Llama 3.2 right on your own machine. This mix gives us the best of all worlds. And one thing I would like to share or make you alert that here I have used Grok. So there are basically two Grok. One is Grok that ends with K, which is a AI model of Twitter, now X. X is a Grok, and we might use a Grok with a K at some point as well. Not in today's video, but Grok with a Q is something different. Grok with a Q is a company that has come up with a really cheap, fast way to run inference runtime model like Llama 3.3, which is the massive version of Llama with 70 billion parameters. So you can run Llama 3.3 really fast, really low cost on Grok infrastructure, and along with many others. So this was the basic differentiation between Grok ends with K and Grok ends with Q. In our previous model also, where we show you to build your first AI agent to do some calculation, there also I used the API key of this GROQ Grok AI. So make sure you know the difference. And thank you for today. And in the next video, we will going to meet one more time. So till then, thank you.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.